Whaatulou I le ekalestia paia. Whaatulou fo I lau a whionga pātele, ai mai sile paia le ekalesia masa mua o poto. Olo ingoa o Anasitasia Fou Ve'e, and this is my husband, Maunga Scotty Ve'e. I say whai se Molimau mo le mātou tinā. O le mātou tinā na soifua mai I le aso fitu iuni tasi iwa o ngolua. I whale vai whale lātai. O lona tamā o whaalaa sa alu o whale lātai, au lona tinā o whaau sa ili ai o tuanai. E toa se fulu wha I lātou, walu tama ai ono teine o maliliu le tolu. O le tausanga tasi iwa walu lima na malanga mai I New Zealand. Tasi iwa walu fitu na whaipoipo I le mātou tamā lea moangu titi asili veli o fau. Tasi iwa tolu na amatai le la mata whale I le au loto sa mua o Iraka. Se o mai le teimi nei o le anga sa ngā lue mālo si mam I langa au loto. Whawhitai I lau alofa, ua iu lau tau singa ia dad. Mama told tamaiti nei. Tinga le mativa, e te tatalo ina ua manuia o mātou a onga mai ulelei. Whawhitai ia o... Okay, I'm sorry, but that's what I can say in Samoan. So I'm just going to speak in English. But yeah, thank yous to each and every one of you for being here. Physically, streaming online as well, celebrating Mum's life. As many have mentioned, Mum was definitely the life of the party. A woman of faith, and most importantly, our mum. Mum always loved her family, whether you were blood or not. She had welcomed everyone, including our friends, and never called them friends, but called them her children. As you all have known, Mum had passed away suddenly. Prior to travelling to Samoa, when they announced the new Archbishop for the Catholic Church in Samoa in June, Mum already decided she was going to Samoa and told us siblings. So we said, okay, yep, you can go. And she goes, yep, ko kongi mai lok pasisi. And so we all looked at each other and we were like, okay, we're going to search up the price and we all have to split it 5 ways, which we did. But something told us that she couldn't go by herself. It's been great the last week with Mum, and I constantly message my brothers saying, when we get back to New Zealand, I need a week break from Mum. And they all ask, why? I said, oh, she just keeps saying, $100 for this person, $100 for that person, $100 for this person. But we couldn't say no. And so we did it. At the end of the day, we know Mum went to Samoa with perhaps with a thought that she knew that this would be her last trip. It was hard saying goodbye to Mum, and not having her siblings here to celebrate her life with us. But one thing we are grateful for is that she has spent her last week in Samoa with her siblings. One thing Mum spoke about was her ekalesia. No matter how much we said, Mum, we got bills to pay, the rent's high, the power bill's due, Mum will say, yep, we got to do this for the ekalesia because the money will come. Money will come. And that's what we did. Grateful for Mum's lessons, life lessons, because we are who we are today because of her. 11 difficult years without Dad, but Mum was the light at the end of the tunnel. She was there for our babies and our fur babies who couldn't be here. Thank you so much to the ekalesia for putting up with Mum, because I know she calls everyone and then she will be like, oh, ngō vilia, blah, 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 blah. E ka lai le whongo, ai whisili mai po whaingi pese. And I was like, okay. And then she said, ala mele vilia le ofisa pese, ai vili mai po iau. And they will say, because you live off the whai pese. So we knew Mum was doing both roles as the whailau kusi for ekalesia and sometimes for the Alwhai Bese. Thank you so much to both sides of the family, Dad's family, as well as Mum's family. Thank you all for your love, prayers, messages. This will be a long journey for my siblings and I. But anything, we can get through this through Christ. So that's all for today. But just before we end, I would like to invite both sides of our family to sing our song. Don't worry, I won't be on the mic, but we're going to sing our song now.
You're so far away from me. I just ask all Anna's siblings to remain on the stage and my siblings, the family siblings, please. Just a quick, I won't take time. I just want the full siblings. We hear you, we see you, we feel you. We have crossed oceans, we have crossed minds to be here with you. This is our final dedication to
This lady, because she is the life of the party. This is what Auntie Fetalaiga is all about. It's all about colours. She brought us here together because she was the life of the party. Lea to my siblings. I'm going to break protocols, but this is our dedication to Auntie Fetalaiga. This is our last. Siva, mate. This is what Fetalaiga is all about. La e, gaming e whaali ai, le ko iai Fetalaiga ia alu.